I just wanted to do a quick run through of some of the functions and how to kind of navigate through the Scoopit homepage once you are logged in. I am currently logged into one of the profiles I made to create my PowerPoint, and I've kind of gone through and shown you how to set that up pretty easily. I guess really the things that you are going to want to know is the functionality of a few different buttons. One of the main ones that you'll need is this home button. More or less, it's going to take you back to your main page. If you are looking to make a new scoop or find new topics, you can do so in the search bar. So let's search let's search student affairs. And this brings up kind of some different options that you have already been made, and give you a lot of articles and different things that you can look at. And if you want to add that to your already created list, you should just be able to scoop it. And I don't want to hire people that use poor grammar, so but I can add this to my existing scoop or my existing topic that is technology and higher education. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it. I don't actually want to share with anything. I guess I'll let it be. So I'm going to publish that. And I want to post without sharing because I don't want to blow up my Facebook. So my scoop has been posted into that topic, the technology and higher education. So I'm going to go there. I guess it's going to open a new window, and you can see that it has actually added it to my page. I actually have two accounts, so I'm not sure which one this is going under. Now, I should be able to create a new topic pretty easily. And what I'm actually going to do, I think this profile is actually full, perhaps. I think I can only have so many things going at one time. I'm going to exit back out of this where I added the scoop. I'm going to go back to my home page. So from here, I should be able to get to this. So you're actually going to click on your little picture up in the corner so that you can go to create a new topic. So to create a new topic, you're just going to actually click on new topic. I think a lot of this stuff is actually done. And let's say, once again, that I want to search student affairs, or name it student affairs. And I want my results to be in English, and I'm going to say student life, comma will let you go onto the next keyword. So if you want to group words, you just put a comma between those words. Let's say residence life advising. I hope I don't type anything. Let's also do maybe Greek life. And since we're doing technology, let's go ahead and throw technology in there as well. So that's giving me 5 different keywords that will be kind of used as criteria for my searches. So I'm going to create the topic, and I'm going to start curating my page. So remember, curating your page is when you're actually adding your articles. So more or less, it's going to bring up different articles based off those keywords, and you can manage your sources or filter by source type. And I'm not too picky because this is already kind of narrowed, should be fairly narrowed down. And so there's the academic advising website that I could scoop. Um, just bringing up some kind of different things. See, this would be something that I would add because I would show that to my students. It would be funny, probably. But you can basically add whatever you want. I'm actually going to filter by source type and go to, no, I don't want to do that. Let's see if I can manage sources. That's not what I want to do either, really. So there's a lot of different things that you can do to kind of change what your searches bring up. And there's a lot of different things, and it's really nice because it gives you kind of it gives you the title and a little bit of the article, so that you can say, that looks terrible, or oh, that looks interesting. So let's just add one. Let's see. Let's take technology off and see what it does. There we go. All about Greek myths. And now we're getting, yeah, that was a little bit better. These are a little bit better searches. Let's scoop student life at this university. And it's actually a video. I'm going to go ahead and publish that to my wall. Now, if you go into another user's profile, you can actually post your reactions. I could post a reaction here. And one of the things that's really nice is it tells you who originally posted things or where these things are coming from. But that works out a little bit better if you search up here and add something or curate something to your page, because it kind of links you up to other people who have actually scooped those same things. There are some other things that are really good. You can get some analytics to see what different things are happening on your page as far as people seeing it and how you're using it, different things like that. That can be useful if you're really getting into it. And I mentioned it in my PowerPoint, but I'm not sure how well it comes across. I think that this could be a really, something's out of date. Oh well. Yeah, that's fine. No, don't look at my page. Let's go back over here. You could really set this up where you had different topics for different classes or different discussions that people could go into and view. So it's pretty useful. Looks like I've actually disconnected this stuff from my social media profiles, which is fine with me. So if you just navigate around, you can see where you've actually added scoops. You can see where your topics are being followed, or the topics that you have followed. So I followed higher ed tech, and you can see scoops that have been followed, as well as your community. So Wendy Freeman added me, or actually she didn't add me as much as I added to something that she had already posted in a scoop called higher ed tech. So that's the one that she actually curated that I added some stuff from. So you can kind of go in. This is the one that I stole from her, I guess. So it really is a good tool to kind of sort through some information, see what other people are reading and finding value in, and to share those different things with other people. And it could really get a conversation started if you have a group of people who are kind of active. And you're also going to get some input from people that you don't necessarily know, but can still give you some really good feedback and insight to some of the articles you posted. I should probably not have a picture of me eating a brownie. So anyway, that is more or less a real basic overview of Scoop It. I think along with my PowerPoint, that this will be a pretty good starting point, jumping off point, if this is something you'd be interested in. I know I read a lot of articles, and sometimes it feels like I'm spending the majority of my time just you know, reading the first couple of paragraphs and realizing, oh, this is not a very good article. So this kind of can help you dig through a lot of things all at once and see things that are valuable. So hope that helped.